Okay. Hi everyone. So today we're gonna talk about math and how we solve math problems. So as we may know, if we look at the little column on the right, we may know that some math problems can be solved using multiple ways. For example, here we have 2x plus 2 plus 3x equals 6 plus 2x plus 2. You may notice that you can either solve it by distributing the parentheses, then you got 2x plus 4 plus 3x equals 6 plus 2x plus 4, blah, 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 blah. Or you could solve it by subtracting the same term, 2x plus 2 on both sides, then you immediately got 3x equals 6. So as you may notice, the right method is much quicker. And what we found in past studies is that students know there are two methods that can be used to solve this problem. They know that the method on the right is easier, faster, but when you ask them to solve the problem, they still stick to the method on the left, which is what we usually taught in school. So I'm really interested in understanding why is that the case and what are some factors that contribute to how we select strategies. So I look at three specific factors. First, on the very top, it is procedural fluency. So how fluent are you at solving different simple math problems? For example, if you do a simple problem like 1/2 of 6x equals 9 minus 7, how quickly are you able to solve it? Then we're interested in understanding what's your conceptual understanding of different algebra terms. For example, do you understand what's an equal sign? That means both sides are equal rather than whatever's on the right is going to be the answer. And finally, we're also interested in understanding some of your cognitive abilities. So we're specifically looking at executive function, which is a set of cognitive abilities allow you to do complex activities. So for example, the ability to kind of hold information, process it at the same time, the ability to switch between mindsets, or the ability to withhold, inhibit impulses. For example, here, to measure your ability to inhibit impulses, we ask you to press the spacebar when you see the letter X, and to refrain from pressing spacebar when you see the letter K. So in a typical trial, you will see a lot of X, you keep pressing the spacebar. All instantly you see the letter K. Are you able to refrain from pressing it, or are you just like, I've been pressing it, I'm going to keep on pressing it? So we're really interested in understanding what are the different factors that could contribute to how students select strategy, because that will really help us to understand what are some areas we should focus on. Should we focus on giving students more practices? Should we focus on helping them to get a conceptual understanding of the different algebra concepts? Or should we focus on their general cognitive ability? And that have very important meaning for education. Thank you.